I recently got this doormat sent to me by the company to give my honest review, and honestly I needed something like this, especially on the door that is coming from the outside in. My doggy has a doggy door, so she tends to go constantly in and out of the house. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to go ahead and put it and see what it looks like. This is a 32 by 48 rug. It is a darker brown shade. As you can see, I'll give you a close-up of what that looks like. Very nice, fluffy carpet. On the bottom side here, it does have non-slip rubber grips. Take a look at that. So let's go ahead and expand it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. One thing I did want to point out, super cute, two little doggy paws that are imprinted and embroidered on this. So this is perfect. It's gonna go great right where I need it. It's so easy to put up your mats. Simply find a spot where you're going to place your mat. As you can see, I actually placed mine on the inside going towards the outdoor patio. This is a great spot, especially because my doggy Millie goes in and out of her doggy door. As you can see, the mat fit perfectly right in the spot that we needed, right at the spot that my dog walks in and out of. Overall, if you're looking for a great mat just to put where your dog walks in and out, dust off those dirty paws, I would definitely recommend